the world's most secret military tech. Could these weapons change warfare forever? Military technology is advancing faster than ever. AI drones, autonomous tanks, and cyber weapons are already in testing. Stay tuned as we reveal what governments don't want you to see. The secret military tech that could change warfare forever. Military technology is advancing faster than ever. These tools don't just change how wars are fought, they could change the balance of power globally. In this video, we'll show you the top secret military technologies and explain their impact on global security, economics, and diplomacy. First, secret military tech. Watch full video on my YouTube.at Global War Narratives and copy link in bio.